my lovely friends, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple and fun floral painting, and I have a little surprise for you. Finally, my Skillshare original class has just released, and I'm so excited to share that with you. I will be talking more about it in the later part of the video. Right now, let's quickly go ahead and enjoy coloring. Alright, so now I'm all set. This is going to be a 5 by 7 inch canvas. You can go ahead and use anything that you want. It can be a canvas or even acrylic painting paper. So in step 1, we are going to be painting the background. For that, as you can see, I made the canvas a little moist. This is just because the blending process and everything is going to be super simple and easy if you do that. Then I applied this white color on the base before I added different other shades on top of it. This is just to lighten down the color shade and create a beautiful, well-merged background. And once that was done, now we'll quickly go ahead and add leaves in step 2. So this is very roughly done, you're not going to be following a specific pattern. We're just going to be using very loose strokes to give an illusion of leaf pattern there. And then by using my brush, I also created the areas where I'm going to be painting the flowers. And now comes the fun part where we're going to be painting the hydrangeas. So here I'm picking the colors randomly on my brush. Like here I mixed some purple and white color, and just by marking this kind of stroke, these are just 4 petals and you'll be able to create beautiful looking hydrangeas. And for that I'm also using a filbert brush, and this is completely optional. You can go ahead and use a round brush or anything that you already have. So this is going to be super simple and easy, and then when the first layer will dry completely, then you can always add the highlights on the top. This is definitely going to give a beautiful look to your flowers. This will also add the reflection of light and also make it much more protruding. And these are the colors that we now need to add some depth. So that's going to be some sap green, burnt sienna, or maybe black color, in some places to add some depth in between the flowers. And now just to make it completely merged and beautifully blurred in the background, I'm going to be using this flat brush, and then I picked up very little color on my brush and trying to blend the corner ends of these beautiful flowers. And you will see a lot of difference when you use this kind of effect. So you can always use a makeup brush or even go ahead and enjoy making it by using a flat brush as well. And now for the final end look, I like to extend some flowers in the corner areas so that it looks much more natural. And also, you can just add those tiny little petals and all those beautiful leaves around the flower. So this really helps, to just build up the flower more beautifully. So I'm just exactly doing that, and then I'll be adding the final touches at the end. And here it is, it's all ready now, and this is the final look. So finally I got a beautiful painting for this frame that I was looking forward from a very long time. So this is the final look of the entire painting, and this product is also available for sale on my art store along with this frame. So you can always check out the link in the description box below. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed making this simple and easy painting. And now moving on to the fun part. I have been collaborating with Skillshare from years, and I love this platform so much. And when I got the opportunity to be part of their Skillshare original class, of course, I just wanted to launch it and I wanted to be part of it. It was so much of fun creating this amazing class for you. It took so many months of planning and preparation. It was a lot of process, but I'm glad how it turned out to be. And here is a little glimpse of what you can expect in the class. The most important thing that I love about art is how it unites us. We might not have the same language, region, but we can all understand the language of art. Hi, I'm Alika, a self-taught artist and a YouTuber. I paint abstract realistic portraits, which is a marriage between abstract and realism. I don't obsess towards creating a realistic looking artwork. I do like to combine my own abstract ideas and other components into the painting and create a different looking artwork. I'm here to share with you how to create your own original abstract realistic portrait and all the important techniques and tips to create amazing artworks. We'll start by finding inspiration and creating a prototype, choosing the color palette and mixing colors, creating the outline, and finally get into the fun part, that is painting the portrait. By the end of this class, you'll be able to find your own inner style as an artist and also understand what is your own original niche. Art gives you immense amount of freedom and an opportunity to explore your own hidden goodness. All you need are some basic art supplies, some love for art, and you're good to go. I am so excited to start this class. Let's get started. And I can't wait to see you here. You can always check out the link in the description box to get 30% discount. And I'm so glad this video has been sponsored by Skillshare, so you can check several other classes there on different amazing topics. And my first 1,000 people to use the link or use my code goodnessinu will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed painting this with me, and this painting is also available for sale on my art store. You can check out the link in the description box below, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Mwah! Bye!